today we have another St. Patrick's Day video for you. Jennifer is gonna show you how to make Leprechaun rainbow cookies. These are amazing. Look at all the little rainbow bits in there. They're sure to catch your favorite leprechaun.
That's true.
Okay, so we're gonna heat our oven to 350. We have now got our stuff ready for our leprechaun cookies. The first thing you're gonna need is 8 ounces of butter. We cut those into little diced cubes so that we can see that they're got to room temperature a lot faster. You're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, 3.4 ounce, 96 grams of Jell-O, pistachio flavor. We've got 2 eggs. We've got our vanilla, 1 teaspoon. We've got 3 drops of green dye. You don't have to add that. I just thought it would be kind of fun. And then we also have 1 teaspoon of almond extract. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, in here we've got our baking soda and we've got our cream of tartar. Now baking soda is 1 teaspoon and the cream of tartar is half a teaspoon of that. Then we've got 2 cups of flour. We are gonna add this later when the recipe calls for the dry ingredients. And then we've got our rainbow M&Ms. They're mini M&Ms, they're teeny tiny, and they're gonna go in our cookies. That's what's gonna make it leprechaun pistachio cookies. They're gonna have little rainbows. Well, let's get adding things. We're gonna cream together the butter. Then we're gonna add the sugar, the pistachio pudding mix, eggs, and the extracts. Okay, so we're gonna add all of these and mix them together until they're kind of creamy. Oh, that's already smelling really good. And we are gonna slowly add our pistachio pudding mix. Okay, we're gonna sit and let that cream. If you need to, go ahead and scrape the sides, and then we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together while it's going. So these are our dry ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour, and we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we have half a teaspoon of cream of tartar powder. So I'm gonna actually just mix these together. If I had a bigger bowl, I would mix it all together. And make sure that that cream of tartar and baking powder get mixed in really well though. Really didn't take very long for it to cream. Alright, let's mix this in just a little bit better because it looks like we've got some butter on the top and the pudding mix a little bit. Alright, that looks really awesome. Okay, we're gonna start adding our flour in. We're gonna mix it on low so that the powder doesn't go poof. Perfect. Okay, let's get this mixing together. This smells really good. Okay, it's pretty thick. Now I am going to add in, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Whoop. And there was 2. It looks like ice cream. We're gonna just fold in all of the M&Ms so that they don't crunch up, so that they keep the color. So let's mix in those M&Ms. That looks so fun! Okay. We're gonna scoop these into little balls and then put them on a cookie sheet. Bake them at 350 for 9 to 12 minutes. Okay, we got the cookies out of the oven and these are what they look like. I think they look really cute. They smell amazing. You want to put them on a cooling rack so that they can cool down just a little bit. We are going to have a leprechaun feast. This is a Pins and Things exclusive. It is the only recipe because I made it. She made it herself. I came up with the recipe for this. So, yeah, if you guys want to try something amazing, you should try it definitely will bring around those little leprechauns into your house.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're over here somewhere. Click over here to watch another St. Patrick's Day video, and click over here to watch me every day on the beach house. All right.